question number 1 I am explaining what we are given in the question. See, state which pair of triangle in the figure are similar. Okay, then write the similarity criteria also, and we have to write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolical form. Fine. So each and every question we have to do the same thing. Let's see the first figure which we are given. Here you can see two triangles are given. Which two triangles are given here? Triangle ABC. We are given triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, let's compare them. Of course, if we compare them, then we can say angle A equal to angle P, and that we are given 60 degree. Similarly, angle B equal to angle Q. They are also 80, here also 80, they are similar. And of course, angle C equal to angle R, that is 40, and this is also 40 degree. So, comparing all these three triangles by which criteria? Angle, angle, angle. Criteria, criteria, we are able to say that criteria of similarity. This is the criteria for similarity. Okay. We can say that triangle ABC similar to, this is the symbol of similar. This is similar to triangle PQ. Okay. Let's understand this similarity through some more examples. Second example we are seeing now. Okay. Question number 1 of exercise 6.3. It's the second part. You can see in your book this figure are given. Okay. Here we are going to talk about two triangles. Which two triangles? In triangle ABC and triangle PRQ or PQR, simple we can say. Now let's discuss. Observe the triangle carefully. Can I say AB is compared with QR? I am taking the ratio AB upon QR. Then what will be BC upon, just compare BC to, so we can compare it with PR. So here we need to write PR, and of course CA we can compare with PQ. All the way, if you simplify 2 by 4, 2.5 by 5 and 3 by 6, the ratio of their sides is coming 1 by 2. Fine. So this is side, side, side. So we can say by SSS, side, side criteria of similarity. Of similarity. Which two triangles are similar? Triangle ABC. If we are taking ABC, then it is similar to, this is similar triangle. You can see ABC. A is similar with Q, B is similar with R, and C is similar with P. So ABC is similar triangle QRP. Now exercise 6.3, it's a question 1 and third part. Okay, you can see this figure we are given in the question. Now here we are going to discuss two triangles. What is the name of a triangle? In triangle LMP, observe carefully, LMP, and another triangle is triangle DEF. Fine, let's discuss about this two triangles. We observe that none of the side is in ratio. Okay, if we compare this with this possible, but this is 2.7 and this is 5, they can't be in ratio exactly. So we need to write here, we observe that, what we are observing, we observe that none of the sides is in a ratio. is in a ratio. It means none of the side. It means this side is, I can consider this side is ratio with this with this, but this is not in the ratio. Means all sides should be in ratio. So in place of one of the side, none of the name, one of the sides is not in a ratio. Is not in a ratio. Not in a ratio. Okay, I'm correct in this. So this statement is right now is not in a ratio, or they are not equal. Therefore, they are not equal. They are not equal. Means we can't compare. They are not in ratio exactly, because MP, simply I should say MP is equal MP upon DE. If I take, then it is equal with LP and DF. This we can see. This is with this with this, but this and this not. So I need to write not LM upon EF. Right? Up to here. So these two triangles are not similar. Therefore, final result, given two triangles are not similar. I hope it's clear to you how to go with this. Why they are not similar? Because sides are not in proportion. Okay, let's see exercise 6.3. It's a question 1 and it's a fourth figure. Okay, you just look inside your book, and this figure we are given. Which two triangle here we are talking about? We are talking about in triangle M and L. M and L and triangle PQR. Agree? Fine. If we are talking about these two triangles, then we can observe that angle M, which is quite equal to angle Q, they both are of 70 degree. Fine. Now, but the problem is with side. See, MN upon PQ. If we are choosing this side, MN upon PQ, which will not equal to, actually this ratio is not equal to ML upon QR. So we can say these two triangles are not, these two triangles, these two triangles are not similar. They are not similar. Reason behind that, they do not satisfy, they do not satisfy SAS similarity criteria. SAS similarity criteria. I hope it's clear to you. Okay. Now, along with this, the same procedure you can apply for triangle fifth and sixth, which we are given in question 1. So that is, I am giving you fifth and sixth. Try to do by your own. That is homework. Exercise 6.3. It's the question number 2. What we are given in the question? In the figure, triangle ODC similar triangle OBA. You can see ODC, which is similar triangle OBA. Fine. Angle BOC, which is 125 degree, we are given. And of course, we are given CDO, angle CDO. This angle is 70 degree. Okay. We need to find three angles, DOC, DCO and OAB. Okay. First of all, observe here OC is a ray and BD is a line. Okay. So please write down what is BD. BD is a line, and of course OC is emerging ray from it. So OC is a ray. Please note down this thing we are given. Now we know that the sum of these two angles, DOC and BOC. What will be the sum of these two angles? Observe DOC. This an angle BOC. BOC. This angle. This and this they are forming this angle and this are linear pair. So it is 180 degree. Fine. So what will the measurement of an angle DOC? 180 minus BOC already with us, that is 125. So the sum of this is coming, sorry, subtraction is coming 55 degree. So finally angle DOC, this angle with us, that is 55 degree. Now we are talking about in triangle CDO. Observe carefully. CDO. Now in this triangle CDO, this value we got 55, this 70. Now we will able to find angle C easily. So we can write in this triangle CDO plus BOC and DCO. Sum of all three angles, that is coming 180 degree. So I need to write this is 180 degree. Sum of three angles by angle sum property of triangle. This is 70. This already we found 55. We need to find DCO which is equal to 180. Therefore, finally, angle DCO will be 180 minus 75 plus 55, 125. So, 180 minus 125, it gives the result 55 degree. So, I need to write angle CDCO, that is 55 degree. This angle is 55 degree. Then can I say that I have this very important result? These two triangle must be similar. These two triangle are similar. Triangle ODC, that is similar to triangle OBA. These two triangle are similar. Then can I say angle ODC which will be equal to angle OBA, and angle, one more important result with me, OCD which is equal to angle OAB. These two angles similar. So OBA 70 degree. This is 70 degrees. So of course this will be 70 degree. And what about OAB? OAB is also with us 55 degree. So the value of this is also 55 degree. So that is also a required result. Exercise 6.3, it's the question number 3. Now I'm going to explain. Let's see what we are given in the question. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. AC and BD diagonals, AB parallel CD. One of the pair of trapezium similar parallel, they intersect at point O. We are using a similarity criteria of two triangle, we have to prove that OA upon OC which is be equal to OB upon OD. Okay. So first of all, what we are given, let's note down that we are given ABCD is a trapezium. Here to you beta. ABCD is a trapezium figure. In which, can I say, in which AB parallel CD. This we are already given in the question. Now what we have to prove? So please note down, we need to prove. That is also given in the question, we need to prove. We have to prove that OA upon OC. OA upon OC which will be equal to OB upon OD. Now let's start the proof. Okay, very easy and very simple proof of this. Already we are well aware. Let's take triangle OAB and choosing two triangle OAB and triangle OCD. OAB, OCD. These opposite two triangles I am choosing. Now in this triangle, the first result, can I say AOB equal to COD? What is the reason? AOB and COD, these two, they are vertically opposite angles. So please mention VOA, vertically opposite angles. Similarly, triangle OAB, angle AOAB and OCD are similar. What is the reason OAB? Observe OAB. I'm talking about this, and OCD. OCD. This. I'm talking about this and this. They are alternate interior angles. Alternate angles also you can mention. And one more condition, OBA, which is quite equal to ODC. Which is the criteria? OBA. Now I'm talking about this, and ODC. ODC. I'm talking about this. What is the relationship between this and this angle? Again, they are alternate interior angles. Fine. If these three condition, all these three are angles, so can I say now under the criteria A, A, A criteria of similarity. Under this criteria of similarity, can I say triangle OAB, which is similar. This is similarity. Triangle OAB similar to triangle OCD. OAB similar to triangle OCD. Therefore, OA upon OC, these are the sides are in ratio. OB upon OD. Because we know that reason behind that, this which we have to prove, two similar triangles, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. If these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides, this must be equal. Clear to you? Exercise 6.3, it's a question for, in the given figure, we are given QR upon QS, ratio of this upon this, which will be quite equal to QT. This is T. Actually, this is T, which will be upon PR. This ratio we have to prove, and we are already given 1 and 2. These two angles are similar. We have to prove that angle PQS similar to triangle TQR. Okay, let's see how to do first step. First of all, we know that we are given already QR upon QS, which will be equal to QT upon PR. This already we are given. Agree? Now let's move ahead. So can I write what I am going to do? I am just changing the position of this ratio I am taking. So next step, QT upon QR. This I am interchanging. QT upon QR, which will be equal to PR upon QS. Only I am changing this position and changing the sides. Okay. Let's say this is result number 1. Fine. Also what we are given? We are given angle 1 equal to angle 2. That is also given to us. Now if 1 and 2 both are similar angle, then can I say PR and PQ must be similar? If angle 1 and angle 2, these two angles are similar, what is the opposite side of angle 1? Of course, you will say PR. What is the opposite side of angle 2? That is PQ. So, PR equal to PQ, because we know that sides opposite angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are always equal. Under this condition, we are able to say this thing. Let's say this is result number 2. If this is result number 2, so from result 1 and 2, is it easy to say QT upon QR, which will be equal to PQ upon QS? PQ because PR and PQ similar. So in place of PR, I am writing PQ. So from result, we are using this. So in another word, can I say implies that PQ upon QT. I am changing the direction. QS I am writing here and QT will be here. So PQ upon QT, which will be equal to QS upon QR. Let's say this is result number 3. Okay. Now in triangle, which triangle I am talking about now? PQS, which we are given, and triangle TQR. I'm talking about these two triangles. In that, PQ upon QT, which will be equal to QS upon QR. This also we know. Therefore, beside this, we know angle PQS, which will be equal to angle PQR because Q common. Q angle, Q angle. So that will be equal to angle Q. So under which criteria? Under which criteria? Now you can see here we are using side, angle, side. Under this criteria, we can say that triangle PQS, which will be similar to PQS, similar to triangle TQR, which is a required result. Okay, dear student, exercise 6.3, it's the question number 5. I am reading. S and T are points on the sides PR and QR. PR and QR. S and T, these are the points such that angle P equal to RTS. This angle P, which will be equal to angle RTS, means this and these two angles are similar. We have to show that triangle RPQ and RTS are similar triangle. Okay. So first we need to compare this two triangles. So in triangle RPQ and RTS, in triangle RTS, can I say what do we have? We have in this triangle, we will have angle RPQ, which is given RPQ, which we are given equal to RTS. So let's note down two triangles and two angles similar. And further we can see here angle PRQ, which will be equal to angle TRS. That is common. These angles are common. You can see PRQ, PRQ, this angle and angle TRS, TRS. In this two triangle, this angle R is common. So therefore, by angle similarity, with similarity, by angle similarity criteria, triangle RPQ, which is similar to triangle RTS, which we have to prove here. Exercise 6.3. Let me read question 6. In the given figure, this ABC, it is given triangle ABE. I'm talking about this triangle. It is clearly visible ABE, which is similar to, sorry, it is congruent to triangle ACD, which we have to show that this triangle ADE, this smaller triangle, is similar to ABC. Okay, congruency we are given and we have to prove the similarity. So first of all, what we are given, let's note down triangle ABE. This is congruent to triangle ACD. This we are given. Fine. Now observe carefully. Can I say in this triangle AB is equal to AC? Because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. By, we can write by CP/CP. So please mention this point. I am able to write because they are corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So they are similar. And further, I can say AE and AD also similar. AE and AD are also similar. They are also similar parts. So if AE and AD are similar, then can I say AB upon AD, the ratio of these two sides, which will be equal to AC upon AE. So can we write next AB upon AC, which will be equal to AD, cross multiplication AD upon AE. Is it okay? Nothing I have done. I have changed this side. AC I have written here and AD cross multiplication. Let's say this is result number 1. Okay, fine. Now in triangle, now in second part we are comparing in triangle ADE and ABC. That is already given in the question. ADE and ABC, in that AB upon AC, which will be equal to AD upon AE. So if we apply the result number 1, then we can say that through result number 1, angle BAC and DAE, these two triangles will be similar. BAC and DAE, because A is common in that. Okay, so by which similarity of the criteria? Under by side angle side criteria. By this criteria of similarity, we can say that ADE, which is similar to triangle ABC. Clear to you? Which we had to prove. The result is in front of you.